Hi everyone, and welcome back to the Oh So and So. So I am working on my list, and the next thing I think I can unclutter. I think there's a few things up in the bonus room that I can slowly start to sell, and I don't know. You know how it is? You think, well, I really don't need that. I'm not really in love with it. So that's what I'm going to do. I am going to go up there, and I have a bin, and I'm going to put some stuff in this bin. I'm on my quest of slowly downsizing and uncluttering. So let me turn this camera around and we're gonna go upstairs. Alrighty guys, we're going upstairs. Let me turn the light on. Alrighty, here we go. Now, I am going to try to put as much stuff as possible in this bin. I don't know. We're gonna see what I can do. And I don't know. Do you guys do this? So I'm going to start in this corner. I kind of like all that. I need to sell some of these blocks. So I'm going to grab some of these blocks and set them over there because, look, I mean, how many do you need? Really? Come on, fingers. Work. All right. We're gonna set these over here because I'm gonna go through those. All righty. I have to remember. Don't sling ya! Okay. And then I'll put that basket back because I do like my baskets, as you all know. All righty. I got these. Now, I really like that chair. I need to buy some ink. Let's see what's in this drawer. No. I am not keeping it. Look, if it's been in a drawer, does that mean you use it? No. Hold on, I'm getting a handful. I gotta sit this down. I need to work on my plants. Okay. Now, these are wallpaper stamps. Let me put them over here for a second. They're really cool. I'm definitely going to go through some of these and keep just a few and get rid of the rest. Most definitely. I like these three. These look really good together. You could even put these on a shelf. Definitely no. Maybe a small one. And, okay. Let's do that. And hold on to this basket. Alrighty. And then I'll just put these back. Come on. Now, they're pretty, aren't they? And then that way, I have room for a basket. Perfect. A little bit here and a little bit there. Okay. So, now, I do know for a fact in these cabinets where the TV is, I have the DVDs. And I am definitely going to go through and get rid of some of them. I'm definitely going to keep my Waltons. I don't know if you remember that show, but I absolutely love that show. And we had a MASH in here. Oh, yeah. Got to keep the MASH. Classics shows. Alrighty. So we're definitely going to do those. It's going to require more than just a bin for that. What else? Alrighty. I'm going to keep this because you can get all kinds of those. And then I'm going to get rid of that. There. Perfect. Let me go ahead and put this in here. What else? I know. It's kind of hard to pick and choose. But I do know I need to go through the spools. How many spools do you need? I like that rack. I don't know if that rack is for that. But I'm definitely going to go through some of these. So let me put this on the couch. That way I can go through that and those while I'm watching TV. And then I'll put that basket back. My desk. My desk is getting a little bit cluttered. What? I think I definitely want to get rid of this. I have to be careful with it. And then I can always put some more things. Now, I absolutely love, you know, the books. And maybe I can add some of those books up there. But that's one thing I have to remember is that every surface does not have to be covered. And I think I'm going to get rid of that clock and maybe put a picture there. Oh, yeah. Because I don't have really any sentimental attachments to that. And this way I can, let me set that ship down because it's the wrong time. I need to put another battery in it. Alrighty, guys. Well, I'm still looking. What else? Well, alrighty, guys. I think I've got the stuff that was on my list, except for that wood shelf over there, which was an old shipping crate. Then I need to kind of decorate that a little bit better, move some stuff around. Alrighty, guys. Well, that's the bonus room for right now. My house is definitely getting lighter, which is an awesome thing. Alrighty, guys. Until the next room, I'll be seeing you soon. Bye.